So this is our journey to Tamhini Ghat, which is located 50 kilometers from Pune. So let's go.
Last I got that sinking in my stomach from that loss. Of course it's got me thinking's got me flummoxed from the cause. I just wanna know why some of us are guarded.
After taking a stop at the landmark, which is Kundalika Valley, we decided to visit a waterfall, which is offbeat and situated in Thane itself, to witness some nature's magic. As it is said, random plans are the best plans. Indeed, it was a day to remember. Thanks for watching. See you super soon.